Thompson here. We've got some snow starting to move in, and it will continue to move in tonight. Pretty much our entire area slated to receive several inches of snow overnight tonight and into early tomorrow. So get ready for some very hazardous driving conditions, especially as the night goes on. Look at our satellite and radar. We saw a few rain showers early. Now we're starting to see more snow mixing in with that rain, especially across McDowell, parts of Buchanan counties, Tazewell County getting a little activity now too. And this moisture will continue to spread to the north and east a bit overnight tonight. And as it does so, it will develop, well, the colder air will come in. The temperatures will drop. So this will primarily transition over to snow within the next few hours, and straight snow is expected through most of the night. You can tell where temperatures are dropping. Beckley already at freezing now at 32 degrees. We're still at 37 in Bluefield, Pineville at 41. That's why we've still got a little rain mixing in. But again, once the temperatures do drop, that snow is going to pick up, especially from roughly 8 p.m. through 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. I'm expecting widespread snow. That's when we're going to see the heaviest bands. And that's the key word, bands of snow. They set up in these there are these local spots and drop a lot at one time. So you'll have nooks and crannies where some places have more than others, but everyone is expected to see that white ground pretty much through the early morning hours tomorrow. Winter storm warnings are in effect for McDowell, Buchanan, and Tazewell counties, where especially we're going to have some of these convective bands, these snow squalls set up, definitely over that way out toward the coal fields. We've also got winter weather advisories in effect for Fayette, Summers, Monroe, Giles, Blandwith, Mercer, Raleigh, and Wyoming counties, where we're still going to have enough snow to warrant travel issues throughout the overnight and into early tomorrow. This is all because we've got these systems sweeping by to our south, enough cold air working in on the backside of these systems to really drive this snow overnight tonight. So let's take a close look at Futurecast. We're already seeing a little activity as this model was showing, and as the overnight hours continue, again, it becomes widespread. Temperatures are dropping. It's going to start to stick better, especially once we get to around midnight. Temperatures for most in the 20s and teens by the time we're waking up tomorrow morning. Now, that snow does come to an end pretty quickly by the afternoon. We actually could see a break of sun, but it's going to be cold. Highs will only be in the 20s, and the wind will be blowing. So wait till you see these wind chills. I'll show you those in a second. But first, the immediate question, how much snow are we expecting? That darker blue shaded area there, generally 3 to 5 inches, although I am expecting some locally higher amounts, especially at those really high spots, and especially across Tazewell County. Some of the higher elevations of Buchanan, McDowell, Mercer, Blandwith also getting 3 to 5, maybe even 6 inches in some spots. Now, north of 460, especially north of I-64, not as much moisture there, so generally 1 to 3 inches or so. 2 to 4 probably more likely for Hinton and Union, but I've decided to move that line a little bit further north as models have been trending a bit heavier. Long story short, though, it is going to be snowy tonight and into tomorrow, and dangerous travel is expected. The wind is going to be picking up, too. Again, I mentioned highs tomorrow will be in the 20s. Will dry out during the afternoon, but, ooh, it's not going to feel like that. This is what it's going to feel like, guys. The wind chills will be in the single digits for the entire day. So get ready for that bitter cold. What falls will stick, and it's not going to go anywhere fast, I'll say that. We are going to be a bit drier through early Saturday, and then more rain and snow at the end of the weekend and into next week. Well, Linda, I'll send things over to you.